I promise you the train is not here yet, so you wait. Like a good puppy. There it is. It's not the train. Calm down. Okay, wait. Let the guy pull up. Wait. There's no train. 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 It's not here yet, Belly. It's just not here yet. Okay, another car's coming, so hold on. Nope, there's no train, Belly. Just wait. There's no train, sweetheart. Okay, we're gonna stand here and wait. It's not coming yet. It's not coming yet. You don't even see it. How do you know it's coming? I don't see a train. No train. There's no train. No train. We're not going back here. Don't eat plants because you're upset. No. Bellami, you gotta let it be. There's no train. No train, Bellamis. There's no train. I promise you, the train is not coming. There's no train. But there's no train. Puppy, there's no train. No train, baby. There is no train. Bellamy, there's no train. I promise you there's no train. No train, baby. There's no train. I know you want there to be a train, but there's no train. Not yet, baby. Too early. You got a long time before a train comes. No train, sweetie. Not yet. You're too early. See, you shouldn't have pulled. You should have walked like a good girl. There's no train. It's not coming. I promise you it's not coming. There's no train. But there's no train, baby. Bellamy's, there's just no train. There's no train. I promise you, baby, there's no train. No train, puppy. There's no train coming. Belly, there's no train. No train coming. No train, sweetie. They're not coming today. No train. No train. No, the train is not going to come for you. No train. You pulled, so it's not coming. You didn't walk like a good girl. No train. It's just not coming, sweetie. No train tonight. No train coming for puppy. No train. You still think there's a train coming? There's no train. No train coming for you. I told you the train is not coming. No train. I told you there's no train, so stop trying to look for it. There's no train, Belly. Come on, let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home, Bellamy. Don't eat plants. Let's go home. You ready to go home? Bellamy, ready to go home? Are you ready to go home? Come on, let's go home. Because the train's not coming, so we're going home. No. No. No, you're not going on the tracks. Come on, let's go home. Come on, Bella, let's go home. There's no train in there. The train does not go in there. I promise you.